Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Self-Sufficient Mama. I wanted to give you guys a quick update on the Flccc, their website, the updates they have done. You can even donate to them, and the updated protocols for COVID-19. The first update that I noticed on the Flccc website is they have weekly updates every Wednesday. You can sign up on their website for a webinar, and they give you the latest information, news, and data on the research for COVID-19 and ivermectin and other sources for information that you guys need for the ivermectin and the treatment and everything. The second update I noticed is that they have versions for the COVID protocol in all languages now. They have these 6 languages listed on their website, but if you look right below it, you can go down and select different languages to be translated into their files, which I think is amazing because their word could be spread out even further now, and more people can be healed and more people can be informed. Here is their new protocol for ivermectin from the LCCC. It is different from my first and second video. They keep updating it. This new update is basically 1 dose on day 1, another dose on day 3, and then to take 1 dose every week. That is different from my other ones. So make sure you do the new protocol. It also lists on here what vitamins and minerals to take along with this. And those steps are the prevention protocol that the Flccc recommends. Their early outpatient protocol has changed quite a bit. They suggest to take 1 dose every day for 5 days or until you're recovered. They also added fluvoxamine. They want you to take 50 milligrams twice a day for 10 to 14 days. Make sure you go on their website and read the whole instructions for this. They also want you to do a type of nasal sanitation with essential oil inhalation, some mouth gargles, and some nasal sprays, along with vitamins and minerals that you should take every day as well. They also added on their website the bodyweight conversion for taking your ivermectin doses. They have body weight and kilograms to pounds conversions over here for you. And then on the right, they tell you the dose that you should need and also how many tablets according to the milligrams that you need, which I also found very helpful that they added that onto their website as well. Along with the updates with the outpatient, they also recommend that you use a pulse oximeter. You could find these on Amazon, and I will post links to all of these vitamins and minerals. And the oximeter is basically a little gadget you put on your finger and it measures the oxygen in your blood. Also new on their website, they added a Flccc Store, and you can buy. They have so many products on here: t-shirts, stickers, masks, bags, stretchy pants, sweatshirts. COVID kills, ivermectin saves lives. All these proceeds go to their company. You can also submit a donation if you don't want to buy any of their products. I personally myself just ordered this shirt. I think it's amazing. When I get it in, I will show it to you guys. Go to their website, provide a donation if you can, share this video, share their videos and information. You guys, we are saving lives, and I feel good about this, and more data and more information is being shared, and I just hope that this goes far and wide and all the information gets out to everybody. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you for sharing them. Thank you for subscribing. I am very, very grateful. I wish you guys all the best of health, and blessings. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you.